Next video, we're going to go ahead and go through question number 3 here. So question number 3, we're going to actually be dealing with kilocalories as well as joules. This is in terms of energy is what we're talking about here, these units are. So what we want to end up doing is we want to convert from 537 kilocalories. Now what this means, anytime that we have kilo in front of a unit, that basically means it is 1,000 of the regular unit. So this is basically saying 537,000 calories is what we're dealing with here. And so now what we have got to do is we've got to convert this 537 kilocalories to joules. So we're going to go ahead and put that down. So joules, you might remember from chemistry, that is a unit of energy as well. And so whenever we go over here, it says, hey, check out section 6.10. I see 6.10 right here. And it says 1 joule, which is represented as a J, is equal to 0.239 calories, right? Now notice, this does not say kilocalories here. We are not dealing with kilocalories on this. This is just regular calories. So we're going to have to actually convert that as well. Now this is from section 6.10, so we're going to go ahead and put that in parentheses. That is just our reference there, right? Or we are citing that. And so now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go 537 kilocalories. Now there's many different ways how you could go about this. You could end up going like this, kilocalories, right? Now you could multiply this by the fraction. Now in 1 kilocalorie, there are 1,000 regular calories, so you could end up doing that. That's where those units will cancel out. Or as you can see here, if you know a kilo stands for 1,000, basically you take the 537 times 1,000, you end up with 537,000, right? I'm going to go ahead and continue solving this in this manner. Now, as we said, we want to go from the kilocalories to joules. Now, what I've got here is a unit of calories, right? Now up here from our equation sheet, we established that in 0.239 calories, there's going to be 1 joule. So now what I can end up doing is I can multiply this by 0.239 calories, right? 0.239 calories. And then on the top here, I could put joules. Now, do you see how joules is the unit we wanted to end up with? That's why that's on the top. What happens with these units of calories? They end up canceling each other out. Now what I can end up doing is I can plug this in into the calculator, and so basically we have 537 times 1,000, which is going to give us 537,000. Now what I can do is I can divide that by 0.239. Now whenever I do that, I'm going to end up getting this pretty big answer, which is 2,246,861.925. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and round this answer. They end up telling us, actually, they say, provide your answer to the nearest whole number. And so in this case, what that means is that we're going to have 2,246,000 and then 862. So we can go ahead and put the commas in place there, and then we can put joules. And then so now we've got that. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to type that in over here. So we've got 2,246,862 as our final answer. Now, one thing to note is that you might try to put commas into Canvas. It actually does not accept commas, so you'll end up running into that issue if you do try to put that in there. Alrighty, that is question number 2.